Shout out po, shout out. What's the purpose of this?
Sorry?
Purpose of this Dolos Hope?
Wait, do this hope here?
Oh.
Okay, let's stay together.
We share knowledge, hope, and health.
Shout out ma'am to your loved ones. From what country you ma'am?
Sorry, what was the question?
What country? You.
Well, I'm from the Netherlands.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Gusto nyong bumili ng pagkain nila, ito papakita ko lang. Dito lang sa 4 Point, San Fernando. Dito po ang entrance, may bayad na 50 pesos. Ayan o, yan. Ayan, dito, nandito na ako sa taas. Kinukuha nilang ticket, ito yung pakyat. Tapos gusto ko kung pag magutom kayo, may mabinibenta rito. Shout out ma'am. Shout out. Oh. Dandahan. Oh, ito, tignan natin mga tinitinda nila rito. Ayun. What's the power of hope? Ayan, mga tinitinda nila rito. Nung pumunta raw dito is 2015 pa. Nag-pandemic kaya, so ngayon lang naman ulit sila pumunta. Ayan mga binebenta nila. Dito pa naka 3rd floor yata ito. Ayan o.
Oh, you have to pay for that. I thought it was free. I thought it was free.
So welcome to Dolos Hope. Ito mga tinitinda nila, mga Dolos Hope. Ayan. Dami dito mga tao, mga foreigner. Ayan o, ayan. Children. Ayan. This is it. Daming tao. Bira raw pumunta tong bookstore na to. Ayan o, children's fiction. Ganda rito, lakas ng hangin, umuga-uga.
Okay, I won't do it. Go. Oh! Well done. Now you
Ayan. Mga libro rito.
Oh.
Shout out po ma'am. Shout out. Ito. Ikutin natin. Pakita natin muna yung view rito. Wow. Ganda. Ayan o. Papaikot ko lang. Shout out ma'am. Baka meron kang gustong batiin ma'am. Naiya sila. Ikot-ikot tayo. Fiction. Ayan o. Hanggang March 25 pa ata sila rito. Ayan. Sir, hanggang kailan ito? Hanggang kailan pa?
Hanggang March 24. March 24. From Tuesday to Sunday.
Okay. May mga Bible din sila rito. Ayan o. Ayan. Daming tao. Ayan ang location dito, Pierre. Children's Bible. Ayan o, Children's Bible. May mga mugs din sila. months. Iba-iba. Ito naman, children's book. Ayan. At ito yung kung talaga traction yan, no. May mga nagkakarga, hindi ko alam yun, bigas o what yun. Ayan, no. O kita nyo, gumagalaw yung crate sila, naglo-loading sila. Ayan, no. Balik tayo ulit dito sa loob. Ayun, no. Wow. Daming tao. Ibili tayo ng souvenir nila. Gusto ko ballpen. Ito, ballpen. 40 pesos, mug is 120. How much this? So, bayaran na natin sa cashier nila. How much, sir?
40 pesos.
Oh, shout out, sir. Shout out. From what country you, sir?
I'm from Peru.
Peru.
Yes.
Oh, shout out to your loved ones, family.
I talk in Spanish.
Okay. Subscribe Newdy Vlog po.
You're going live all the time. Wait.
Wait.
Wait, I'll show you. Hi, sir. How is it?
Sir, this is
Don't forget yourself.
Okay. You also may ma'am. About you. Yeah.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Okay. Thank you. Sir, shout out, sir. What's up, bro? Ang dami rito, oh. Ito. Oh, shout out, ma'am.
For 100 po.
No.
80 books. For 100 lang po. What is sudo?
Daming tao rito, magmumuna sa nagutom. Ito, papakita ko ulit. Ganda rito, kakatawa. Subscribe po, Newdy Vlog. OFW, shout out po. Ayun, may aeroplano pa, oh. Ganda rito, ayan. Ganda. Pier na dito lang sa Puro Point, San Fernando, La Union. Salamat po sa panonood. God bless you all.